All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. And guess what? So the squad is out. I'm 100% sure that most of you guys saw the squad, understand the situation regarding to the squad. Squad to face USA and El Salvador. So we're looking forward to have some good games in regards to team selection. We have to discuss that. We have to discuss that. So there's a few names absent, and there's also few names present who I would believe huge addition and also massive loss. Now, before I get into that detail, let me run through something that I always have to do before all my videos. Reggae Boy Top Fan Football Squad. Reggae Boy Top Fan Football Squad. Only 5 members so far. So these guys are members of the channel. Also, if you want to be a part of this team, you can become a member of the Discord of the Patreon. When you become a member of the Patreon and also a member of the channel, you get access to the Discord. When you are in the Discord, you have access to all information that I have, which is literally everything. Whenever I get information, it goes straight in the Discord. So if you want those information, either become a channel member or you become a part of the Patreon, which would grant you access to the Discord chat. It is a 24-hour chat right through. It doesn't matter. We talk about all things football. We cover everything football. Schoolboy football, reggae boys, reggae girls, when the news pops up, everything. Premier League as well. Jamaica Premier League. The Premier League in England, Championship, everything. We cover everything. So definitely, and then you become a part of the Reggae Boy Top Fan Football Squad. Now, let's get into what we're here for. In the meantime, what I want you guys to do is smash that like button. I would really appreciate if you do so, guys. I'm on my journey to 9K. My aim is to reach 10K, people. My aim is to reach 10K. I would really appreciate it, guys, if you help me to reach here. And it only goes at 1 subscriber at a time. By you hitting the subscribe button, you significantly help me to join that journey. Now, the Reggae Boys has receive a huge boost ahead of the World Cup qualifiers games versus El Salvador and the USA, with players such as Michail Antonio of West Ham, Leon Bailey of Aston Villa, and Ravel Morrison of Derby County. Huge boost, people. Now, there are a few players that are absent, but definitely there's a big question to ask is this squad really balanced? For me personally, it's not balanced. This is not a balanced squad. It's for me. No, I don't want to. It's not a matter of me being negative. I'm just telling you the truth, and it's fact. If you look at the squad, we have 6 strikers. We have 2 central midfielders, 2 defensive midfielders, 3 centre backs. The centre back position is quite good. Only Fisher, Alva Spoil, and also, just only Fisher and Alva Spoil. Oh my word! No Javon Brown, in which the only right back who's actually playing consistent football. So there's a lot of questions to be asked. No, we don't want to get too negative. That's what most people say. But at the end of the day, we have to speak as how things are. Now, let me find out that. So there are a few absent names. We have no Ethan Pinnock, no Tarek McGee, no Javane Brown, no Jamal Lowe, no Daniel Johnson, and again, no Blair Turgott for this round. Now, people are going to ask, where are all these players going to go? Come on, people, let's be realistic. We have Alva Spoil in the team, and Alva Spoil is not fit. He's not fit. Maybe there's hope that by the game time come, he will be fit, but that would be nonsense. That would be really stupid to wait until game time for you to put in a player that is coming off injury. Similar, for me, as much as I highly rate Korberg, he's my favorite player, but I would say it is too soon or too early for Korberg to be in this squad at this moment. Now, we have a lot of other players who are performing really well. And most noticeable people, 6 strikers in the squad. I mean, come on, 6 strikers. What are we doing with 6 strikers? 6 strikers. There was no need for 6 strikers. Now let's look at this now. Michail Antonio, he didn't get to represent us in the last set of games because of miscommunication. That's what the JFF president said. Miscommunication, in which I believe that's really, really bollocks. That is bollocks. Now we have Leon Bailey now. Last time out he was injured, and hopefully he'll be fit leading up to that game time. Now the maestro, key midfielder that we need, well, other than Anthony Grant, the maestro himself, Ravel Morrison, RM11. The maestro himself, a player that we really, really miss just by his presence. You could know that he's in the team. But guess what? We really, really missed Ravel Morrison last time out. The team lacked creativity. We struggled to progress the ball. And now we have back Ravel Morrison. That is the reason why it's a huge boost. With the likes of Michail Antonio, Leon Bailey, that's significantly a lot of goals added. Leon Bailey, Michail Antonio, that's goal and assist. And then now we have Ravel Morrison, that's creative, fairy, magisterial, magical dust on top of the icing on the cake, they would say. But there are positive, a lot of positive, but just as though there are positive, they are negatives. And not because it's negative means that it should not be mentioned. We should only speak about the positive. But for now, these are things that we have to highlight. Players are not present. We'll see. Definitely we'll look into how we are going to approach these sets of fixtures and what we want to do. Fans are in the stadium. Oh, I lighted. Look at my forehead, so shine. Wipe it off. Yeah, good. Fans are in the stadium, people, which is a positive. We're going to have Ravel Morrison, Michail Antonio, Leon Bailey, all of these guys playing in front of home crowd, which is extremely good and positive. Playing in front of home crowd, something that they wanted to do. And funny enough, we have so much of these players who are crying out for home crowd who won't be here. It's just so unfortunate. A lot of them were crying out for home crowd and they won't be here. So guys, that is it for me. What I want you guys to do at this moment, tell me what are your thoughts about the squad. Is this a balanced enough squad for you? Did we brought too much strikers? Was too much strikers called for this game in particular? Let's see. The wingers are Bobby Reid, Junior Flemings, Leon Bailey, and let's say, well, Corber. I think Tapa is going to play Corber as a winger, and he's a center striker. So, people, smash the like button. What are your thoughts on this team that has been selected? How do you feel about it? And ensure that you hit the subscribe button as well. My target is, although you see 9,000 subscribers down there, my main target for the end of this year is 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. It's difficult, people. It is really, really difficult, people. But definitely not because it's difficult does not mean it's not possible. 10,000 by the 1st of January. Not because it's difficult does not mean it's impossible. Definitely, people. Hit that subscribe button, people. Don't be afraid. And I really appreciate it, guys. Military Guna TV, people. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Tell yourself that you are going to have a good day, people. Definitely. And I am out.